Hello French lovers and welcome to the new grammatical lesson. Un, une, des. Do you know what they are? Are you still confused about them? Don't worry, watch this video till the end and learn all about indefinite articles in French. Un is used for masculine singular nouns, while une is used for feminine singular nouns, but both of them means a in English. If you don't know the translation of de in French, watch this video. Now let's go through the examples. Un chat, un livre, une fleur, une maison. De is the plural form of both of them. So no matter your noun is feminine or masculine, we use de for both of them. Let's go through the examples again. Des chats, des livres, des fleurs, des maisons. Voila. Now it's your turn. Can you write examples in the comment with un, une, des? I am waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.